Hey everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. We have got a beautiful 2018 Mercedes here, black paint. Came in and when it first arrived, and they bought this vehicle pre-owned. It's a recent purchase for them. It was scratched, it was swirled, it was faded. The paint did not look like it was supposed to. We did a full interior detail, full exterior detail, like 3 steps of washing and decontamination, clay barred everything. And then we did 2 steps of paint correction to restore and rejuvenate the paint, and then put our Pro Elite ceramic coating on the outside. And this is definitely one of the best day and night before and after transformations that we have done on a vehicle. I mean, we have really brought this car back to life. It took about 3 full days. A lot of hours went into this car, but the results really do speak for themselves. If you'd like to get a paint correction, ceramic coating, a meticulous detail, we don't do quick, fast, easy, and in that same line, inexpensive work. We really put the time and effort into it. You do get what you pay for, and if you want to take a vehicle that's maybe a couple years old and really restore it to its former glory, protect it long term, and bring a car maybe not to new condition but back to like new condition, give us a call, 618-983-9706, or you can also go to our website, which is visualprodetailing.com.